1.1 example 5. Here's another example where we're going to be analyzing a deductive argument. Again, we're going to first construct a Venn diagram, and that is going to help us to determine the validity of the following argument. Some plants are poisonous. Broccoli is a plant. Therefore, broccoli is poisonous. Now, while it may seem obvious that this argument is probably invalid, remember from the previous two slides that just because an argument is valid or invalid does not mean that the conclusion is true or false. It all depends on how the statement is written. So we can't just go ahead and jump to conclusions. We really do need to work it out. All right, so just like with the last example, what we want to do first is to look at the first statement. Some plants are poisonous, and this will tell us what kind of Venn diagram we're using. So again, refer back to slides 17 and 18 for the different figures. This one is of the form sum S are P, and that's where we had two overlapping circles, kind of the typical idea of a Venn diagram that a lot of us think of. All right, so one of our circles is going to represent plants, and the other one is those that are poisonous. And we need to figure out where broccoli, or X in this case, is going to go. So there's actually two places that we could put broccoli. We know that broccoli is a plant, so it has to stay within the plant circle, but the plant circle is broken into two pieces. If I put broccoli in that overlapping piece, then this conclusion is true, and it would be valid. Broccoli is poisonous. But if I move it and put it in the other portion of the circle, where it's just contained in the plant part and it does not overlap with poison, this conclusion is not true. If I can find just one instance where the conclusion is not valid, the whole argument is invalid. And again, I would like to write that with a statement.